Hello everyone. Today I going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet. For that, at first open this wallet or exchange you want to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet. Example, I am opening Binance exchange. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Asset option. Then click on Add Fund option. After that, need to click here. Here you will need to charge USDT. Then click on the USDT. Here you will need to select network. I am choosing BIP20 network. You can choose any network as you wish. Then click here to copy this address and exit here and open Trust Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on USDT. Then click on Send option. Paste the USDT address here. After that, enter country you want to transfer. After that, need to click here and confirm with OTP to successfully withdraw. You can withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet to any exchange or wallet following this process. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.